Hi, it's Paul from Production Expert. ARA plugins provide a convenient way to repair and process audio directly within your DAW without the need to round trip to external audio editors. Some ARA tools provide a stripped back toolset when compared to the full version of the software. However, with Acon Digital Acoustica, the ARA version offers the full feature set of the standalone application with the convenience of never having to leave your DAW. This includes full waveform editing, full spectral editing, detailed selections, layered processing, and access to the restoration and repair tools which make Acoustica so good. Let's take a look at some of the key features. I have some noisy dialogue recordings on this track, and if I right-click on a clip and enable Acoustica for the clip, any processing or edits I do will be specific to that clip, and as you'll see shortly, I can then have completely different settings for other clips on the track within Acoustica. This first clip has some general background noise and a high-pitched squeak from some car brakes after the first sentence.
Whether you're an international blue chip, an ambitious SME, or a charity with an eye for innovation, partnering and collaborating with the university can help you achieve your objectives.
Okay, so we have some general broad frequency range noise. You can see that clearly in the spectrogram, and also this little squeak. Let's just hear that again.
An ambitious.
I want to deal with that first, so I'll just zoom in slightly. And I'm going to use the brush tool for this. In fact, we can choose the brush size. Maybe a medium brush is best for this. Click and be careful to select it and not select too much outside of it. I want to only affect that. It looks like there might be potentially a slight harmonic of it there, so I'm going to actually go back into that brush tool, choose a smaller brush, hold down Shift, and select that just because I think that's related to it. And now to actually attenuate this, I'll enable the retouch tool. Now the retouch tool can actually attenuate or replace. We'll go with attenuate just to turn it down. How much do we want to turn it down by? I'll go with 100%. And now click here and you can see that's dealt with. So let's go back and take a listen.
Whether you're an international blue chip, an ambitious SME.
Okay, that's good. There might be another slight whistle there, actually. I'm just going to leave that one for now. Let's deal with the broad frequency range noise in the background now. Now, there's multiple ways we could do this within Acoustica. I'm going to use the Extract Dialogue 2 plugin. Within this, we have faders for voice, reverb, and noise. And in this case, I'm going to reduce the noise, but not completely remove it. So let's preview this.
Whether you're an international blue chip, an ambitious SME, or a charity with an eye for innovation, partnering and collaborating with the university can help you achieve your objectives.
So if I was happy with that, I could click Process. That's now done.
Whether you're an international blue chip.
So that sounds fine, but let's say I also want to put a fade in and a fade out at the start and end. So maybe I'll make a selection that is this. Within Acoustica, Command F brings up the fade tool. Let's do a fade in, process that. And likewise at the end, Command F, fade out, process. So here's what we've done.
Whether you're an international blue chip, an ambitious SME, or a charity with an eye for innovation, partnering and collaborating with the university can help you achieve your objectives.
Good. In practice, I might consider dealing with that slight squeak there, but for now I'm going to leave it. And you know, the good thing about all of this is it's completely non-destructive. And as I said, it's related to the clip. So actually, whenever you want, you can go back to this, click on this, and you've got a full history that you can step back through if you want to undo edits or take it back to an earlier state. Now let's take a listen to the second clip.
The Manchester Aquatic Centre was built for the 2002 Commonwealth Games and it cost approximately...
Okay, so we'll right-click Acoustica, Edit. Now, if we jump between these, you can see we have a separate view for each within the Docked Acoustica window. So I'm going to maybe process this initially with Extract Dialogue in a similar way to the other one.
The Manchester Aquatic Centre was built for the 2002 Commonwealth Games and it cost approximately £32 million to build. It consists of 2 swimming pools.
But let's say I also want to do an audio edit on this.
£32 million to build. It consists of 2 swimming pools, a gym and multiple different sports courts.
Okay, let's say I want to take the bit about the gym out.
A gym and...
Select across that. Cut with Command X.
Of 2 swimming pools and multiple different sports courts.
And you know, the key benefit of this is that it does happen within Acoustica inside Pro Tools. It's an ARA plugin. Anything you do is non-destructive. You can step back through the history. All of the edits are tied to the specific clips. There's no need to round trip to a separate application, and the full functionality of Acoustica is within here. So once again, if I go back to this clip, we've got its own thing going on there, and you can see its undo history is here. This one has its own settings. It even remembers whether you're in waveform or spectrogram view. And once again, you can go through the edit history if you want to. Let's deal with one more piece of audio. I've intentionally created a recording with severe pops. Plosives are usually a problem when you don't use a pop filter, but we can probably fix this with Acoustica. So that's very bad, but we can fix it. Right click, Acoustica, edit. Very obvious low frequency peaks in the waveform there. And I'm going to go to the enhancement menu and choose Deplosive Dialogue. This, in my opinion, is the most effective dialogue pop removal tool available. So let's just preview this on the default settings. Plosives are usually a problem when you don't use a pop filter, but we can probably fix this with Acoustica. Okay, well, that's already excellent, so there's no need to even tweak it as far as I can hear. I'll just process it. Massive improvement to the waveform. Let's take a listen. Plosives are usually a problem when you don't use a pop filter, but we can probably fix this with Acoustica. Excellent. And you know, we've barely even scratched the surface of what you can actually do in Acoustica. If you look at the menus, you've got all sorts of different effects that you can apply, enhancement in terms of different types of noise reduction. You can use different types of plugins. There are various different analysis tools. All this happens within your DAW. In this video, we've seen it in use in Pro Tools, but this of course works in any ARA2 compatible DAW, including Cubase, Nuendo, Studio One, Reaper, Logic, and so on. I've been using Acoustica Premium in this video, which really does give you access to that full feature set. But if you want a taste of what Acoustica has to offer within Pro Tools, Acoustica Essentials is included with active Pro Tools subscriptions. To find out more about Acoustica and the powerful toolset it provides, visit acondigital.com. Thanks for watching.